Tomorrow, crew comes to grind out all of this concrete, grind the brown paint off it down to the concrete, get it all even. I'm going to do this room. Have to take out all the refrigerators and the washing machine. The work that's been done this morning with getting the machines out and starting the grinding of the floors. Floor's going to need another grinding tomorrow, but it's not going to be like it's going to have a sealer on it that should make it less dull, but it's not going to be anything consistent without doing a concrete, reconcreting on top of it, and that's an extra $5,000. So I don't see the purpose of it. Just get it presentable and get this place cleaned up. The floor is done, and I'm very happy with it. Didn't take any sealer or anything, just compacting the cement, grinding it down, buffing it out, and it's perfect for what we needed.